Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can import products from eBay to Shopify or how you can dropship from eBay to Shopify. This is going to be a step by step tutorial. Now let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? So after that, you want to click on apps and sales channels and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, next thing you need to do guys, you want to download an app that will help you import or dropship products from eBay to Shopify. Now this app, it's called Importify, okay? Now just need to search here for Importify and you will be able to download the app as you can see. Now the app offers free trial as you can see, so you will be able to use it for free and see if you like it. And after 1 day, which is like free trial, it only offers 1 day free trial, then you will be able to either like remove the app from your Shopify store so that the app is not going to charge your credit card, or you can just continue using it and you will be charged $14 for every month. So as you can see here, the pricing here from $40 a month, it offers free trial. Now as you can see, this app helps you import products from eBay or any other e-commerce like website. It also helps you, like as you can see, Importify simplifies your dropshipping business by allowing you to easily find and import and sell product from marketplaces like eBay, CG Dropshipping. Okay, so what you guys need to do next is you want to install the app. Okay, so after guys you click on after guys you install the app, you just need to confirm, just install the app again. Okay, just click confirm. It's going to take you guys to this page. Click on install and that's it guys. Okay, next thing you need to do guys, after you download the app, you just need to pick up which plan you want. Now most of the time I'm going to go with the most basic plan because it's more than enough. You can import unlimited products from supported websites, but keep in mind Amazon is not supported on this plan, okay, which is like the $40 a month plan. Now I'm going to click on select. Keep in mind it's not going to charge your card now, so you will offer like 1 day free trial. As you can see, if you see your next bill, you have 1 day free trial. Of course, if you don't like the app, you just need to click on settings, click on apps and sales channels, and you want to remove the app before 1 day. Okay, so the app is not going to charge your credit card. After that, you want to click on approve. Okay, so in the next page guys, you will be able now to start importing products from eBay to Shopify, but you will have to download an extension that will help you do this. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you just need to go to let me show you guys what you need to do next. You just need to go now to open a new browser and then search for Importify, okay, Chrome extension. Okay, just download this extension, that it will help you a lot. Okay, so click here on Importify product importer and you want to click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now after guys you click on add extension, as you can see we have added the extension successfully. Now what you guys need to do next, you just need to pin the extension in the top. Okay, so you want to click on this extensions icon in the top right and you want to pin the extension. As you can see, click on this pin button here or icon, and that's it. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. Now what you guys need to do, you can either dropship your own eBay products. You can just go to your eBay store, click on the username in the top right and click on your name in the top right, click and then click on username, and you will be able to find all your eBay products and you can start dropshipping or importing these products to your Shopify store. Okay, so now I'm going to, for example, to dropship other people's products. For example, I'm going to import this product from eBay to my own Shopify store. So all you need to do guys, you want to click on this on the extension that you have downloaded here. Okay, click on it. As you can see, it says here the page is not supported. Okay, you can start using extension when you browse the one of the supported websites. Now, some products are not going to be like, you will not be able to import products like these products to your Shopify store for many reasons. Maybe the pictures are not like the format, the eligible format. Now, what you guys need to do, if it doesn't work, because it will not work for some products, you just need to go back to settings on your Shopify store and click on apps and sales channels, and then click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, now next thing you need to do, guys, you want to download this app that offers 7 days free trial, which is Robot. Okay, it's called Robot. Just search for Robo. As you can see, it's not Robot, it's just a Robo. As you can see, this is how you type it. Okay, so and then you want to download the app. As you can see, it's called Robo Product Importer, and as you can see here, it's also cheaper than the first one. It helps you import products from any website like eBay and other e-commerce websites. Now the same thing, just click on install, and after that, guys, you want to click again on install. Now, if the first app doesn't import all products, this app will import all the products from eBay. Okay, so just click again on approve, and after that, guys, then you want to then click on here, it says get extension. That's all you need to do. After that, you want to click on add extension, click again on add extension, and that's it. Now you want to pin the extension just like you did for the Importify extension. Click on the extensions icon, click on pin. Now you want to go back to eBay. Okay, now I want to import this product to my Shopify store. Now just need to click on the extension and then click on add to Shopify. As you can see, it says here processing, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Now here you will be able to change, for example, the title if you want to change it before you push this product to to Shopify. Now it says images, you can select all the images here. I'm going to select like 6 images. As you can see, if you click on description, you can also make some changes to the description if you want, and the basic info, which is like your title. You can also change the price of the product. Here it says compare price and price. Here you can make multiple changes here. Now after that, you want to click on import, click on add product to Shopify, and this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to click on view, and as you can see, we are able now to see this product that we have imported from eBay on our Shopify store. Now you can also import reviews if you want. I already made multiple videos about this topic, about how you can re-import reviews to your own Shopify store. Okay, if you have, guys, any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and ask me any question. I reply to everyone. And yeah, see you guys next video. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.